In this video I'm going to show you how to transfer any iPhone photo into 3D effect. So let's get started. So first open your camera and I'm just take any photo. At first time take our object and take this photo. Okay. And I'm just convert this photo into 3D effect. So as you can see, showing it to the top right corner, just press on to expect real effect. When I'm enable this, now it's make it to 3D effect. Okay, then you can easily convert any iPhone photo into 3D, but some iPhone not showing here this option. So how can easily fix this? Open your settings, press on general, software update, make sure to update to iOS 26, then you get this option, otherwise not possible.